Hi, so I thought it'd be fun just for us to get together and kind of talk about how our practice areas overlap. So, like probate, guardianship, and estate planning. No, like real formal agenda, just us kind of sharing what we know and asking questions.
I like that. I always find it interesting how something that I do in estate planning pops up in probate.
Yeah, and I feel like guardianship touches both of your areas in ways people don't always notice.
So, Angelica, when you're setting up an estate plan, do you ever think about how probate ties in?
Definitely. Our goal is to make sure assets pass smoothly and avoid unnecessary probate headaches. And if there are minor kids or someone might need a guardian, we plan ahead for that too.
Oh, so that's why I sometimes see certain trusts or accounts with special instructions for guardianship involvement. That makes so much sense.
So, even we in probate rely on you to make our lives easier.
Michelle, what's the biggest challenge you see in probate when someone's under a guardianship?
Honestly, timing and permissions. So when a guardian is involved, sometimes it can slow things down or even delay distributions because we may need them to sign some documents.
Yeah, that's true. And it can get really tricky if there's a minor or incapacitated adult involved because the court is very careful about protecting them.
So guardianship really adds that extra layer of oversight, but it's totally necessary. I mean, do you ever see guardianship decisions affecting estate planning?
Oh, all the time. If someone has a potential guardian in mind, estate planning documents have to reflect that. Otherwise, things can get real messy later.
That explains why I sometimes need to tweak a trust or a will if a guardian is involved. It all connects.
Okay, so fun question. What happens if a will names a guardian who's no longer available?
Then we have to see if there's an alternate named. If not, the court steps in to appoint someone.
Or what if a minor inherits assets through probate?
We have to make sure the assets are protected, either through a guardianship or some sort of custodial arrangement.
See, all three areas are dancing together.
I love this. Talking through everything really helps me see the bigger picture. The estate planning really plans everything out, probate executes everything, and guardianships make sure that everyone stays protected.
Exactly. And knowing each other's perspective help us catch things early.
Agreed. Let's do this again sometime. Maybe with more what if scenarios.
Deal, but next time, coffee first.